Good day everyone, I'm Vincent Reclamante and this is my video presentation for understanding integrated corporate communication in the modern digital era.
Digital communication icons, email, social media, video calls, and etc.
In a world where communication happens in real time and across multiple platforms, companies are challenged to speak with one clear and consistent voice. This is the power of integrated corporate communication in the modern digital era.
Here are the example: people in a meeting room, social media posts, press conference clips, internal emails.
Integrated corporate communication, or ICC, is a strategic coordination of all communication efforts within a company, both internal and external. It ensures that every message, no matter where it's sent or who it's for, is consistent, aligned with a company goals, and reflects its identity.
This is visual for news spread quickly on social media, tweets going viral, mobile notifications.
In the digital age, one post, tweet, or video can instantly shape or damage a company reputation. That's why ICC is more important than ever. Companies must adapt to fast-changing platforms to manage multiple audience and keep message clear and credible at all times.
Here are the example of company website, Facebook post, employee intranet, and LinkedIn update. And here are the example of Coca-Cola ads, social media posts, and sustainability reports.
Let's look at Coca-Cola, whether you're reading their press release, watching a YouTube ad, or scrolling throughout their Instagram. The message is the same: refreshing moments, sustainability, and global connection. That's integrated corporate communication in action.
And icon for internal communication, external PR, social media, brand crisis communication.
ICC includes internal communication with employees, external communication with the public, brand messaging, digital content, public relation, and even crisis communication. It's not just about talking, it's about aligning strategy, tone, and timing. With ICC, organizations build stronger brands, improve employee engagement, avoid confusion, and earn public trust. It turns communication from chaos into connection.
And this is globe of connected people. Tech icons, satisfy customers, strong company logo at center.
In the modern digital era,